In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com. We'll walk through a simple, reliable workflow. Opening your project board, adding a new task, setting a due date and status, and then marking the task complete when you're finished. Along the way, I'll share a few tips to keep everything clear and organized. Start by opening your project board, often named something like Trial Management. In Monday.com, a board is your home base. It's a table where every row is a task and every column holds details like status, due dates, owners, and more. If you don't see it right away, use the search bar or check the left sidebar for your board's list. Once the board opens, take a quick look at the columns so you know where your due dates and statuses live. This makes the next steps faster. Next, create a new task. Look for the New Task button, typically at the top of the board or at the bottom of a group. Click it, and a fresh row appears. Give your task a clear, action-focused name, like Prepare Q2 Report instead of something vague. Clear names make it easier for you and your teammates to scan the board and instantly understand what needs to be done. Now edit your task with the due date and status. Click the due date cell to open the calendar and choose the date that aligns with your timeline. If time is available, set it to, so reminders are more precise. Then update the status. Statuses are color-coded for quick visibility. Labels like working on it, stuck, or done are common. Pick the one that reflects the current state. A helpful tip: agree as a team on what each status means so everyone updates consistently. Also, keep due dates realistic and adjust them if priorities shift so your board stays trustworthy. When the work is finished, mark it complete. You can drag the task to a done or complete area if your board uses groups, or simply change the status to complete. This keeps your active list focused and gives you a clear record of what's finished. If your team uses automations, completing a task might also trigger notifications or move items for you, so keeping statuses accurate really pays off. Finally, remember that you can enhance your board with widgets and other helpful elements. Dashboards can visualize progress, workload, or upcoming deadlines, turning your board data into insights that are easy to act on. That's it. Open your board, add a task, set the due date and status, and mark it complete when you're done. Follow this flow, and Monday.com becomes a simple, powerful hub for managing your work.